This is test one, glass box. I've put a joss stick in there, and I've closed the top, and all the smoke is stuck in there. You can see the smoke. You can see the smoke there. Okay, let's open the top up. It all comes out. Oh, you can see that now. That's it all clearing out. So we know the box is tight enough for the smoke, which means there's definitely some oxygen getting in there, which is good because that keeps the fire alight. As you can see, it's pretty much de-smoked. Still going. Let's see if we can just take that bad boy out. Let that smoke out. There we are. One empty box, no smoke. So you can see the difference now from now and when I started the video. I'll show you again. Joss stick alight. Put it in the box. Light. So that's smoking away. Close the top up. That smoke is starting to seep in there, you can see it. I'll just close that up. You can see that really starting to fill up with smoke now. That's full, and I'll show you once again. Lid off. Smoke out. Joss stick out. You'll now see that clearing up. And voila, that is experiment 1 done, and I'd say successful.